Spice up your barbecue with these sticky and sweet Korean spare ribs. First, we'll make our K-Town sticky glaze. In a medium saucepan, combine the sesame oil, gochujang, apricot jam or red currant jelly, apple juice, soy sauce, fish sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, and ginger. Bring the sauce to a simmer and cook for 4 to 5 minutes, thinning with a little extra apple juice if needed. Reserve this for basting for the ribs. In a small mixing bowl, combine the garlic, ginger, soy, sesame, and honey. Stir to combine and then reserve. Rub the ribs with this mixture 1 hour before you are ready to cook. Heat the grill to 250 degrees Fahrenheit using the 2-zone setup. This method calls for an indirect cooking side. Place the ribs meat side up on the cool side of the grill. Add a few chunks of fruit wood to the fire. Close the lid with the vents over the cool meat side to drive the smoke over the ribs. Cook for 1 hour, monitoring the fire carefully to maintain 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray the ribs every 30 minutes with apple juice while smoking, cooking for a total of 1.5 hours. Tear off 2 sheets of heavy-duty aluminum foil. Double them up and wrap the ribs tightly, giving another spritz of apple juice before sealing the packet. Place the packets meat side down on the cool side of the grill and cook for another 1.5 hours. Unwrap the ribs and brush both sides with the sticky K-Town sauce. Place the ribs on the cool side of the grill and watch carefully for the next 30 minutes to set the sauce. Remove the ribs from the grill and cut them for service. Sprinkle the ribs with crispy garlic, peanuts, and scallions, and serve them with Korean slaw and steamed rice.